airborne, lands, hits somewhere over here, and then goes end over end for sure.
Sips tonight.
Couple sips, but you just told me you're really drunk, so.
No, I didn't. I'm an educated person, okay? I've been through hell in my life.
On New Year's Eve, police get called to a crash site after a car flips multiple times where a mom is caught driving under the influence and crossing marijuana with multiple shots of alcohol, then deciding to drive her daughter and her daughter's friend home, who were 7 and 8 years old.
Judge Tegler
We know Judge. Yep, we know him. Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and sit down, Lisa, okay?
I have had a complicated past, and I can't deal with this right now. I looked down on my phone, and my car flipped.
Where's the other two? Okay.
In that car there.
You were driving that? That's your car, Lisa?
Yes.
Okay. Who else was in the car with you?
My daughter and her friend.
Okay.
And they say that they're over there. I don't. They took my daughters when the car flipped because I got them out of the car because my car flipped.
Okay, I got you.
Couple questions for you.
Yeah, well, let's get you down the hill, okay? I'm gonna help you because you're a little unsteady.
Can I just get? I can't walk this.
There are kids in the car that were in the crash. Take a look at them.
Okay. How come you're very drunk? What did you have today?
Kids in the car.
What do you need to know about?
They were in
I
the
just had a
accident.
couple
Check on them.
sips tonight.
Couple sips, but you just told me you're really drunk, so.
No, I did not tell you I was really drunk.
Oh,
sir.
all right. I misunderstood you. Then I'm sorry. Okay.
How much marijuana did you smoke tonight?
Do you want me to get Elburn to talk with Marshinki real quick? Okay.
I'm an educated person, okay? And this was a freaking accident as for the rest of my life.
Okay.
I'm trying to make a difference.
Okay, you're certainly making a difference.
Come on, let's go into the ambulance, okay? Come on.
When asked basic questions, it becomes increasingly apparent that in her current state, Miss Taylor should have never been behind the wheel.
My head hurts, my daughter hurts, my friend hurts. Everybody hurts. This is a fucking pain accident. I looked over at my phone and I swabbled and I went over.
Alright. So some questions. How much marijuana did you smoke? How much did you have to drink tonight? We gotta get this out of the way.
I've had one drink of vodka.
Okay.
Because I'm on my own and very successful. The vodka doesn't faze me as it was when I was living with him. So I don't need to have it control me. And then marijuana, I use vape pens.
Okay. How much have you been vaping today with them?
You can put your arm down.
I use the nicotine vapes.
Yeah, but the marijuana vapes.
Oh,
How much did you do tonight with that?
No. I'll get there in a second. All right.
She's gonna be going.
Well, yeah. Are they her kids?
One is. One's.
I'm trying to get the other kids' info.
Okay, because I got a second medic, so regardless, they're gonna get transported. Okay.
Lisa, what is real quick? What's your daughter's friend's name? Her name and phone number.
That's the camera.
What do you need your? Why are you taking?
We're not doing that right now.
I need her phone number.
Yeah, we need phone numbers.
Who are you texting?
Lisa, can we handle this stuff first, please?
Where's she at?
I'm getting
What's her?
Lives off of in Elburn.
Okay.
By Caneville High School, like down on that road.
Yeah. I got you. I want you to talk to the medics, please. Okay.
Is the one kid hers?
Yes.
And the other one's a friend?
Yes.
Okay, so we need the kid's info and mom's info for the one friend.
That's what I have here.
What kind of medical history do you have?
Okay, that's not a medical
court
history.
appearance, but I met with my pre-incentive investigator, and I've given her a whole history on who I am.
I need medical history though. I don't care about
medical history. I've given it all to her.
You need to give it to me now.
No, I'm sorry, sir. It's a paper thick like this.
All right.
So I can forward you that information.
No,
No
I'll just
doubt.
put that you refuse to give history. That's fine. You take any medicines?
No, I don't refuse to give
Hey,
it
Lisa?
to you. I'll give
Lisa.
you everything I have.
Lisa.
Don't ever
Lisa.
say I refuse.
I need you to just. I need
Hey.
you to just.
Don't be
Lisa.
an asshole.
Hey, Lisa, listen to me.
I need you to just tell me a
listen.
few of them, okay?
He's just trying to help out here, okay? He just needs to know if there's anything that stands out with your medical history that they need to know now.
Okay.
Do you have any cardiac issues, anything like that? Do you remember what medicines you take?
I have it on a spreadsheet that I could forward you, but I
You
don't
don't
have it
remember
off the top of my head.
Alright, you're gonna feel a little poke in your hand, okay?
Okay, and what hurts right now? Does your head hurt at all?
I'm devastated.
Okay.
I don't want to say
Does your head or neck hurt at all? Can I feel down your head, neck, and back?
Yeah.
You tell me if anything hurts, alright?
I don't want my girls to be hurt.
Any pain? Well, we've got other people checking them out too, okay?
Lisa, where were you driving to?
I was going
Oh, you were?
Bandage up your hand real quick.
because we were going to spend the night there with the girls.
Basically, she's driving with her daughter and her daughter's friend in the vehicle. She obviously leaves the roadway right there, hits the ditch or whatever, probably goes airborne, lands here, tumbles.
Yeah.
So airborne, lands, hits somewhere over here, and then goes end over end for sure, right here. Like this was probably front tires,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
topples
so I bet
over.
She run the 28 already?
Yep.
Okay.
It registers to Donald.
So not her?
It's her ex-husband. Going west, she hit the other side of the driveway. There's like a ditch. She went into the ditch, hit the driveway, airborne, landed, toppled over, and ended up here. End over end, front end over rear end.
As Lisa arrives at the hospital, the consequences of her actions start setting in and she becomes increasingly agitated and unpredictable.
Okay.
I just got to breathe first, so I'm not thinking at all.
We're gonna get you.
Oh.
Criminal history and abstract should be
Alright, we'll
on
be
the
in
M drive.
just a minute, okay? We'll
Yeah,
get you all set. Yeah.
Yeah. That maybe didn't.
We'll have to look and see. The kids too, so.
Hi, Albert. Where are we going? Okay, we're gonna hang out here for a minute, guys.
Okay. What hurts, Lisa?
Feelings. We'll get you moved over in a sec, okay, Lisa?
No, it's fine. It's just the fact that it happened.
I know.
You know, it's not. Oh my God. Oh, no. I've been through hell in my life and this tops it off. Oh, that.
You got a room?
Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, here. Hey, Thurman, let's scoot out of the way.
Oh, it's fucking worse.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
Sliding her back up.
I need to know where the other two are.
They're on their way.
Yep, they're coming.
I don't know who it's important to. The vehicle was airborne for like maybe like 20 feet in the air. End over end at least twice.
They'd be by my side.
Friend's mother's been contacted, is on her way.
The car, and then the driver's side window was down. I was seeing how I could get out, and I couldn't get out. But I could stand up and push the thing out,
hold
and
still
they
for us.
climbed out of the window.
Hold still for us.
What do you remember happening in the accident?
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
I was driving with talking,
Okay.
and then we were talking about music, and I looked down at my phone, and I looked up, and then we're rolling.
Okay.
Are you guys giving anything to her
Keep
for
it
like
on
pain
your
or
tongue.
anything? Okay, just making sure like before the.
Close your
stuff.
mouth. Hold.
Yeah,
All
did
the
you
way.
guys want legal stuff?
Close,
For like the...
close your mouth.
I'm gonna have to like go through stuff with her, but I'm at least gonna want the results from that stuff. So.
Okay. Did you guys want to get like a thing to get the blood work?
Like a preservation letter?
Yeah.
So what you mean? I'll end up doing all.
Lisa, what's your ex-husband's address? Right, we're having a tough time getting a hold of him.
No, he's in Los Cabos right now.
He's in Los Cabos.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you
So
were...
that's why I want to give you my parents' number.
You have her parents' number?
Oh, no, sorry, my bad.
My parents' number are 5 minutes down the street. It's the house I grew up in.
Okay, what's your parents...
I'm very close to them.
Okay, that's okay. What's the parents' phone number?
And they know that I'm with
What's the number,
Kyle right now.
I thought you were on your way to your ex-husband's house with the girls.
I was, because we were having a celebration. We've been together all day, and we were just having a sleepover.
At your ex-husband's house?
Yeah, but I had gone back to my place to clean it up and to get a couple of items and stuff.
Okay.
And so then, when I had everything locked in the car, and then time had passed and everything has happened, and then I'm looking at my phone and going back and forth, the car flips.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
you guys, I'm sorry, I know I'm bipolar, okay?
Okay.
So I take medicine for that, but I'm clear because I don't toxicate my system anymore, and I don't surround myself with people that make me feel like shit.
Okay, so
I'm
trying to get a hold of...
do something good, and I can't.
Okay.
I can't get there.
Okay, I just want to make sure that we're trying to make contact with your ex-husband because that's your daughter's father, and if he's not in the country, then we can stop trying to do that, right?
Right.
You're 100% sure he's in Cabo?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
I'm business. I established my own LLC.
See, this is just family or something.
I'm going to call it parents.
Sorry.
You're way ahead of me.
I don't want to interrupt your time with this bullshit, and I just keep fucking up.
Lisa, can I ask you some questions?
He's been off all week.
Ow! Oh,
God.
She was in the
that's
courthouse.
fun.
He said she was at the courthouse recently.
Thank you.
Yesterday?
Lisa, is it okay that I call your mom and dad to let them know what's happened?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, I need your permission because you're an adult, right? So I need your permission to talk to your parents.
But what state are the girls in right now?
They're okay. They've got a couple injuries, right? Your daughter's friend has a cut on her head and was bleeding pretty bad. So they're here. They're going to get treatment. Okay.
Okay. And did you contact her?
Yep. Her mom's on her way. Yeah, Shelly's on her way.
And okay, just turned 8. So what is her?
I don't know, but she was alert and talking and answering questions when I saw her.
Is there any way that I can just see her eyes?
Not right now. She's getting treated, and so are you. Okay.
Okay.
So, but I'll do my best to keep you informed about how the girls are.
Okay. You need to inform my parents on what's going on.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I just needed to ask you whether that was okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where do they live at?
Because see,
No, where do they live at in case I can't get a hold of them?
I also, oh shoot, it was a good intention of what I was trying to tell you, but I misplaced it in my mind.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. Just think about it. You can, we're in no hurry to relay information. You're okay. You're safe. Your daughter's safe. Your friend is safe. Okay. Take your time in answering questions and giving us whatever information you feel is important. Okay? So I'm going to call you. I'm going to call.
So sorry.
Okay, what are you sorry about?
I mean,
How come you're sorry?
I'm just putting a trauma panel.
This dude is a judge. He's a lawyer. He's a narcissist. He's a fucking controlling asshole.
He's not here. He's out of the country.
My life is done. No, I got his daughter in a car accident. Like, this is the one and only daughter I've ever had, and that I ever will have because she's so perfect.
Hey, Lisa? Can we try to calm it down?
I'm fucked my life. I'm fucked all the time.
Lisa, your kid can hear you screaming. Can you calm it down?
Lisa,
We'll shut
we're
the door,
in the room
too.
with you. You don't need to yell.
And your daughter can hear you. So if you could just dial it down a notch. She's scared enough, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so
Thank you,
sorry.
Lisa. Yep. So Lisa, can you tell me how you ended up crashing? What went on?
I took my phone and I turned.
Can you just kind of, yeah. Go ahead, sorry. I don't want to interrupt you.
We were just driving.
Okay.
And I'm a fun mom and I do different things.
Yeah.
And I listen to music.
Yeah.
And I put on music and I'm switching music and then it's pop.
Okay. Where was your phone at? Did you like pick it up and change the
It
songs?
was in my lap.
It was in your lap? Okay.
Can I bring this trauma over?
And then when you switched the music, what did you notice happened next?
Front room. All right, thanks.
It's okay, Lisa. Lisa, it's okay. We're just talking. Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
Alright, Lisa, I need you to stay still. We're gonna go over to CAT scan, okay? So that way we can get that collar off of you sooner.
It's gonna be okay, Lisa. Just try to, Lisa. You gotta try to remain calm, okay? Yep. Okay. How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Good.
Lisa Taylor is charged with driving under the influence and 2 counts of child endangerment. Child endangerment takes place when you put a child under 18 in circumstances that endanger the life or health of that child. This is routinely charged alongside DUI when minors are present as passengers. This becomes a Class 1 felony called aggravated DUI when anyone under the age of 16 is in the vehicle and bodily harm happens. Each child present is a separate potential count that can be charged against you. It's illegal to drive under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or the combined influence to a degree that makes driving unsafe. Illinois has THC limits that state you cannot have greater than 5 nanograms per milliliter in whole blood or 10 nanograms per milliliter in other bodily substance within 2 hours of driving for non-medical users. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.